And now it's time for another exciting episode of Birds on the Beargrass. Our featured bird today is the northern mockingbird, Mimus polyglottis, meaning many-tongued mimic. They are best known for their ability to produce over 200 different calls, including mimicking other species such as insects, amphibians, and even car alarms. The mockingbird is extremely intelligent. They are able to recognize individual people as a friend or foe based on how they are treated. Mockingbirds mate for life.
Romantic.
Males and females build the nest and raise the chicks together. 2 to 6 eggs are laid and will hatch after about 2 weeks. Young birds are ready for independent life only 10 days after birth. Mockingbirds reach sexual maturity at the age of 1 year. They can survive 8 years in the wild and up to 20 years in captivity. The mockingbird's main predators are domestic cats, red-tailed hawks, and crows. However, their tenacity and defensive behavior makes them less likely to be preyed on. They will be aggressive.
They beat up all the other birds in our yard.
Yeah. These birds have adapted to urban settings very well. Studies have shown that mockingbirds have a higher survival rate in urban areas than non-urban areas. Thomas Jefferson even had a pet mockingbird named Dick. Do you think he pulled Dick out at parties?
I bet he pulled Dick out all over the place.
Look at him, he's just going to town. He's singing his little heart out.
They have very long tails.
They do, and they have white color underneath their wings that they wave at other birds to kind of scare them.
They scare all the bigger birds.
They actually are pretty big for their size, but they're able to scare away grackles pretty easily.
Even the grackles are bigger.
Mm-hmm. Do you think that the mockingbirds think that we're friends, or do you think that we're foes because we only give them food when we can afford it?
Oh, no, we do intermittently starve them, don't we, in that way?
And this has been another exciting episode
of Birds on the Beargrass.
Birds on the Beargrass.